So everybody, I'm gonna play Almizi Dances again, for sure. So I'm gonna show you something right now. It's not humble. It's not humble. For Sonic 2, look at this, bro. This is so okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, it's not that fast, but let me look if there's Sonic 3.
Want to upgrade your experience? Check out the Game Pass.
Nah, only Sonic 2. Heck oh. By the way, if you buy Sonic 2, you will not get the glow stick. It's only for Robux. Because, why not? And you can do a little act. And that's for the video. Hope you enjoy. But this is just a boring video. Bye.